Namaste students. Now we see about the oxo acids of phosphorus, how we can write the structure for this. Our first I take this hypophosphorus acid. It have a chemical formula H3PO2. First of all, we find the central atom. The central atom may be 1, which is the least in number. Okay. So here, which is least in number, the hydrogen is 3, phosphorus is 1 and oxygen is 2. So phosphorus here 1, that is a central atom. And based on this, the name also be given, that is hypophosphorus acid. Okay. Now, before we write the structure of any compound, we should know the valency of this compound. First, we write the valency of the compound. Valency, sulfur gives a 4, carbon gives also valency 4, oxygen valency is 2, phosphorus have a valency 3 or 5, hydrogen has a valency 1. What is the valency? Valency means ability to bonding with other elements. Okay, how we can write the valency? We write an electronic configuration. Okay, now we see. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. Here I write 1 is 1, the valence electron is 1, the valency is 1. Right, likewise phosphorus also 15. So I have write the electronic configuration. Here the valence electron is 3, and here also the outermost shell, third shell, that is 3s and 3p. 2 plus 3 5. So phosphorus have both 3 and 5. Okay, now we write the structure of the hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid, what is the central atom? Phosphorus is a central atom. So I write here the center. Then, how many hydrogens are there present? 3 hydrogens and 2 oxygen. First of all, you should write phosphorus 1. It have 5 bonds. Okay. How many bonds for the oxygen? Oxygen have issued the 2 bonds. Okay. Then, how many hydrogen are there? If you put here 2, what happened? Only 2 hydrogens are placed here. Then next hydrogen where we place. So we have to write phosphorus is center, double bond O, single bond O, and then one bond with hydrogen. And here hydrogen, here hydrogen. Now the valency is satisfied, so that I here write the structure. Okay. Next, we write the structure for orthophosphoric acid H3PO4. Okay, now we write. Which is the central atom? The central atom is phosphorus. So, I write in the center. And then here, 4 oxygen and 3 hydrogen. So, I make it OH, 3. Okay, then only 1 oxygen. So, what we'll do? We put here double bond O and then single bond OH. Now the valency are all satisfied. If you write shortly, what we do? We write the structure like this. Then next is pyrophosphoric acid. Pyrophosphoric acid here P4. I already told which is the least number, that is central atom. Here also phosphorus is the least number, which is 2. And oxygen is 6, hydrogen is 4. So here the P2. So we made here connection between this. What happened actually here? N1 oxygen made these two as a connected. So what will happen here? O7, 1 oxygen is there, so I write O6 and hydrogen 4. So we make a combination of OH. What will happen? 4 OH. Okay, 4 OH, and then 2 oxygen are there. So just you write O, OH, OH. That is pyrophosphoric acid. And hypophosphoric acid, here also 2 phosphorus. So we write here. Now we see about hypophosphoric acid H4P2O6. H4P2O6 we have to connect this P, single bond P. Okay, here the 4 hydroxyl ions, so here 2 OH, here 2 OH, then balance 2 oxygen, so I put here double bond. This is the structure of hypophosphoric acid.